In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make.com to Google Drive. By the end, you'll have your Google Drive linked to Make so you can build automations, called scenarios, that watch for files, create folders, upload documents, and more. Start by signing in to your Make.com account. From the dashboard, choose Create a New Scenario. This opens the Scenario Editor, which is the visual canvas where you design your automation. Think of a scenario as a flowchart. Each circle is a module, and each module either triggers the flow to start or performs an action once it's running. You'll see a big empty space ready for your first module. Click the large plus icon in the center to add one. In the search bar, type Google Drive, then select it. You'll notice options like Watch Files, which listens for changes or new files, Upload a File, which sends a file into Drive, Create Folder, Move a File, and more, if you want your scenario to start automatically. When something changes in Drive, choose a trigger such as Watch Files. If you want your scenario to act on Drive, like creating a folder or uploading, choose an action. You can mix and match these modules as you build, but for now, adding any Google Drive module will prompt you to connect your account. The first time you add a Google Drive module, Make will ask for a connection. Click Add or Create Connection. A Google sign-in window will appear. Select the Google account that owns the drive you plan to automate, and continue through the prompts. Google will show you the permissions Make is requesting. Approving these allows Make to read, create, and modify files and folders based on the modules you use. This is done through secure OAuth authorization, and you can manage or revoke access later in your Google account and inside Make's connections area. If your files live in a shared drive, make sure that account has access to that drive before you proceed. In company environments, you may need your administrator to enable third-party access to Google Drive. If you see a blocked screen, check with your admin. Once you approve, Make saves the connection and lists it in the module's connection field. From here, you're ready to configure the rest of the module, things like which folder to watch or where to upload a file, using the options shown on screen. That's all it takes to connect Google Drive to Make.com and start building powerful, reliable automations.